loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something super fun. If you guys didn't know, this is my daughter and she just celebrated her sweet 16th. How you feel being 16? Old? Child, please. So this is Lauren, for you guys that didn't know. So I thought it would be cool to do a mother-daughter video. I did film a video before where she did my makeup, but I look so horrible. Yeah?
I don't think she looked that bad.
What did you think I looked like?
You looked pretty good.
Lies and deceit, y'all. I looked like a ghost and I just couldn't even bring myself to come on camera like that. So we might try that again at a later date, but I decided to do a mother-daughter hair tutorial hairstyle. And so if you guys can see, this is kind of her, what would you call it?
Kind of.
Okay, this is like her staple hairstyle that she usually goes to. So I thought, why not do a remix? Well, we didn't know what we were doing. It just kind of came out as the remix of her hairstyle. So I hope that you guys like it. I went ahead and used my KINKISTRY curls because up here, y'all, my hair is gray, like real gray. You guys are gonna see how gray it is. So I wanted to finesse the grays a little bit. So she helped me to kind of finesse the grays and put KINKISTRY hair where you see it. As usual, I'm going to put my code up here somewhere or down below, definitely in the description box. So I hope that you guys like it. Let me know how you feel about having my daughter on camera. You know, maybe next time she'll say a little bit more, but you guys let me know how you feel about the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. I wanted to show you guys just the status of my hair. So my hair is the healthiest it's been in a long time. It is steadily growing. If you guys haven't already seen, like, my hair is down here to my bra strap, past my bra straps. So yes, I'm experiencing a lot of shrinkage, but you see it bounces right back, so I'm assuming it's pretty healthy. It is still transitioning, I think, on this side, but I literally have been trimming it as I go. So eventually your girl's gonna get a professional trim once I trust somebody enough to do it, because I'm in dire need of a trim. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys what my hair is looking like before we go into the whole transformation process.
yeah. Our connection's so magnetic on the floor.
Hey loves, I'm popping in right quick to let you guys know that I love the way that my daughter did my hair, and though it was a cute style, it's not necessarily something that I would wear. This is actually what I feel more comfortable in, and I am rocking my own curls with the KINKISTRY curls still up top. And so yeah, I love how my KINKISTRY Koilistic curls can just enhance my natural hair because my hair is thin up top. Well, not thin, but the gray hair just is not as thick as I would like it to be. So I'm using it just to enhance what I already got. This is still my natural hair just popping. So I did take out the buns and spray some water and add my Plentiful products. So if you guys haven't already seen my video on the Plentiful products that I've been using, so yeah, I just put the Plentiful products in my hair, even though they were already in the hair, but just to spruce it up since they were in the buns. And this is what they got. So they're not even dry yet. So I'm sure once they dry, they will get even more voluminous, but I love it. I think that the Koilistic curls blend perfectly with my natural hair. So yes, this style is a success because I feel more comfortable and I'm covering up my little struggle edges. So it's okay. But I hope to see you guys in my next video.
Nothing can stop us tonight.